What is web development? It means designing and building a web page for business or personal use. It usually refers to the activities related to website functionalities development. In simple words, it's about getting our ideas into the web page. Hello everyone, welcome to this full course session on web development. This will give you complete crash course and let you know everything that you need to know about the web development. Course objective. At the end of the course, you will be able to build any website you want from the scratch. No prior programming knowledge is required. A dynamic web page displays different content each time it's viewed. The page may change by the user that access the web page or type of user interaction. It can be created by server-side scripting. For example, most of the e-commerce websites are dynamic. At the end of the course, you will learn to create dynamic web pages using server-side programming. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, which is used for server-side scripting. It is one of the best tool for backend of the web page. You will be familiar with PHP programming at the end of the course. You will learn professional developer best practices and how professional developer develops a web page. Since there is rapid growth in web development, many frameworks are introduced like Bootstrap, Material, etc. You will get exposure to latest web development technologies. And at last, you will be able to work as a freelance web developer where you can earn money. The earning potential is huge in web development. Why web development? There are some best reasons why to choose web development. Easy to learn. At the end of the course, you will also feel the same. Robust. Changes or updates can be done easily in the web page by the developer. Platform for presenting our ideas. And obviously, it's the best platform for advertising our ideas related to business since website can be accessed from any corner of the world through internet. Web development is rapidly developing, new frameworks are introduced, and there are many career opportunities. There is a high demand on web developer. And at last, eminent. Yes, websites are popular to all. Web development tools. We have categorized web development tools into three types: front-end, back-end, and database. Front-end web development. Front-end web development is also known as client-side web development. The user can see and interact with them directly. Front-end development manages everything that user visually sees in their browser or application. Front-end developers are responsible for the look and feel of the site. There are many front-end development tools. We have listed some best front-end development tools here. These are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, Vue. Backend Web Development. Backend Web Development refers to the server side of application and everything that communicates between the database and browser. Making updates and changes in addition to monitoring functionality of the website is the primary responsibility of backend development. The backend development tools listed here are Java, PHP, Python, Node.js. These languages handles the behind-the-scenes functionality of the web application. These languages used to create a dynamic web pages like Google Maps, Twitter, etc. Databases. Database doesn't require for static websites. The web page grabs information from database to which it is connected by the backend languages and insert the information into the web page each time it is loaded, and also vice versa. Some popular database for web pages are Oracle database, MySQL database, IBM DB2, MongoDB. For example, in login page, the visible part is developed by front-end languages, and when the user types his user ID and password in the provided area, the backend languages authenticates the user ID and password with the database, and if it matches, it will give the access to the user. And now let's see what we will be learning in our web development course. First, we will begin with basic language that you need for web development, that is HTML. HTML describes the structure of the web page and then it displays content in the web page. And then we will move on and learn how to add styles to a web application with the help of CSS, cascading style sheets. It controls the layout of the web page. Next up, we will move on to MySQL. It is the most popular database used in the web. It uses standard SQL, structured query language, and it is an open source software. The data in MySQL database is stored in tables. And then we will move on to PHP. With PHP, you can connect and manipulate to database. Using PHP, we will be learning to create dynamic web pages. And even Facebook is developed with PHP. And at last, we will build a web page using these web development tools. I hope now everyone knows what web development is and what we are going to learn in further session. And I'm sure everyone will love it. Thank you. Happy learning.